Hi, hello guys, welcome back to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to turn off autocorrect on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do here, of course, you just have to open your keyboard first. I'm going to tap on this search bar. And now to turn off the autocorrect, you just have to tap on these settings at the top of the keyboard. Now we'll see this text corrections options. You just have to tap on it. And here at the bottom, you will see the corrections options, which is the first one is auto correction. So if you want to turn off the auto correction on this phone, you just have to turn off the button beside it like this. So yeah, if we typo on the keyboard, there are no auto correction again, yeah guys. And yeah, I think it's enough from me. A tutorial how to turn off auto correction on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.